support the Asian Culture Club Montpelier. We really hope that you enjoyed tonight's performances. There will be dinner down in the cafeteria, but before you're dismissed, let's take a last look at our performers. Please give a big round of applause for our actors and crew.